Okay, so if you own a Cetus X and you have broken the camera just like me and is wondering how to fix it, then you're at the right place because I'm going to show you how you can fix this thing. Before we begin, let me just briefly explain my scenario. So when I connect everything to the goggles, there is only OSD footage coming into the goggles and there is no flight footage, which means this camera is most likely gone. I did got into the crash, which caused this camera to have a small crack on the side, so maybe that's the reason. And I have tried to solder everything back to see if I can reactivate it, but there's just nothing. So I contacted BetaFPV, and the only way to fix this thing is to buy the entire unit because these parts are not sold separately. So you cannot buy this camera. I don't think you can buy this VTX as well. I think this is called the M04 or something, but I don't think they are selling this separately. Maybe I'm wrong, but hey. But generally, as you can see, that basically the whole unit, it's called a C04, and they just basically connected the camera, pre-solder it onto the VTX, and the whole thing is going to cost you about $40 because consider that you're buying a camera and a VTX, so kind of sort of justified at a cost, but it's still pretty expensive to fix the $100 drone. But hey, you gotta do what you gotta do, right? Okay, so the next step, we're just going to start fixing this camera. And you can see that the entire unit just came like this. So VTX plus the camera and an antenna. So it's going to be very, very easy. You're just going to unplug this cable if you still have it there and plug it back. And that's it. Basically, everything is fixed. And later on, you just have to put this on and screw it on. And you're done. Okay, so this wraps us up this video today, and if you have additional questions or comments, please feel free to leave it in the comment sections. I have also leave a link for the BetaFPV support group that you can just submit a ticket if you have a similar issue, and I trust them will be happy to help you. Alright, so I'll see you next time. Bye bye.